Hi, John Travis with the Colorado Mortgage Team. There was a major announcement this week on student loans. The first is the federal loan payment pause will be extended through December 31st of 2022, so you'll have to resume your payments starting in January of next year, 2023. But the major announcement is $10,000 in federal student loan debt for every individual borrower who makes less than $125,000 annually, and married borrowers who make less than $250,000. For people who are very close to that 10,000, this could be a game changer for you. And you'll be able to get out of student loan debt much sooner. But even people that owe a lot more, you're still a little bit closer to forgiveness. If you received the Pell Grant or received the Pell Grant in the past, they're going to be eligible for up to $20,000 in forgiveness, and the same income limits apply. For those of you who aren't familiar with the Pell Grant, this is an additional financial aid that generally goes to very low income individuals. If you're still in school, this all applies to you as well. If you are dependent, meaning you're still under your parents and you're younger and your parents are still claiming you, and you do your financial aid through your parents, you're going to use your parents' income as far as qualification. So this again is very important. All the details are not out exactly on how it's going to happen, but everything is going to going through, they say so far, through your loan servicer. So for some people, they'll be able to do it automatically. They're estimating 90 to 95% of federal borrowers are expected to benefit from the forgiveness. There are some other things that are proposed as well. Borrowers whose federal student loans fell in default before March of 2020, so right when the pandemic started, will have their loans marked current. So if you are in default on your student loans prior to 2020, they're basically giving you a clean slate to start over with your credit reporting agencies, because they're going to be current, so you can start back in January making your payments. That should help your credit as well. They also announced some income-based repayment changes. So before, you had to pay between about 10 to 15% of your discretionary income, and now they're changing that to 5%. So if you're on public loan forgiveness and you're in income-based repayment, this can help you lower your payment until possibly full forgiveness through the public loan forgiveness program. I want to bring this up because if you're in public service, work for the government, teacher, police officer, firefighter, nurse, nonprofit, etc., you are eligible for public loan forgiveness in the waiver deadline they gave of October 31st of this year. In the past, a lot of people were denied public loan forgiveness for a variety of reasons. Now, for some of those reasons, whether they wanted to affirm it before or whether they didn't have the right loan type, that waiver is going to allow you to possibly get some of those payments counted toward the 120 payments that are required. October 31st will be here before you know it, so don't wait until the last minute. This all may help with increasing your purchasing power with a home loan. So reach out to the Colorado Mortgage Team so we can reevaluate your options.